everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on a new review on a new foundation. I got this one in my recent haul from Sephora, and this is the LYS Beauty. This is a foundation. I got this one from Sephora during the sale, and it was at $28.50 Canadian. It comes with a pump and you get 30 ml in this foundation. This is Clean at Sephora. A luxury clean skincare infused serum foundation with buildable light to medium coverage in an area of shades. Finish is natural. It's a liquid formulation. It has ashwagandha. It has hyaluronic acid and turmeric as well. It has a pump and it comes in 35 shades and my shade is MN1. The LYS stands for Love Yourself Beauty, which is a beautiful name, I think, for makeup. And it says shake well before use, and I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to shake it really, really well before I use it. I do have dry skin. It's very normal at the moment. I don't have any dry patches or anything like that. The only thing I have on my skin is my sunscreen. I applied it this morning. I'm just going to prime my skin. I'm not going to use anything new, so I'm going to stick with what I know. I'm going to use the Grip and Primer from Cover FX. I really like this primer. It's so good for the summertime, and when it's hot, I don't use a lot at all. Like, I use this much. I'm just going to pat into my skin instead of rubbing. This will give you that tacky finish, so your makeup will stick to it. I'm going to take a pump. It's a big pump, and it's a runny foundation. I'm going to be using a foundation brush, and we'll see how it goes with that. Sometimes runny foundations perform better with a sponge, so we'll see. So I'm going to try with this side here. Doesn't have any scent. Very, very glowy. As you can see, it neutralizes my skin for sure compared to this side. I do have more moles on this side and a breakout right here, but I do feel like it's very natural looking on the skin, and it's giving me the glow that I want for sure. I do love glowy luminous foundations, and yeah, so it's really nice actually. I'm really happy with the coverage. I don't know if it's oxidizing a little bit. When you blend it, it's light, so I'm not really sure if it's oxidizing. We'll find out on the face. So I'm gonna blend this one as well. So it's really doing well with a brush, so I'm just gonna continue with a brush. Just that's my favorite tool to apply foundations. So I'll wear this one, and I will come at the end of the day and show you. Did cover my pimple right here, so it's very comfortable on the skin. It blends really nicely. It doesn't have any scent. So many good stuff about this foundation, so we'll see how it wears on the skin. So this is how the foundation looks like. It's looking really, really good actually. It's luminous, as I said. It's very lightweight. It gave me a little bit of a light slash medium coverage. Is not quite medium because I did a layer of this foundation, so you can do another layer and maybe you get medium. But for me, to be honest, it's really, really nice because I'm gonna use a concealer anyways. It does feel it's not set yet, so probably it won't because it has that glowy natural finish, so it's not matte. As you can see, it's really, really light compared to my body just because I had a tan yesterday. I will do the rest of the makeup and I will be back. Alright, so this is the finished look, guys. So I will check with you at the end of the day. I just want to tell you what I used on my face today. So this, the first initial footage is a different day from today, just because I used some new stuff on top of that foundation, and I did not like how it looks at the end of the day. So I used the same primer from Cover FX. I used 1 pump of the foundation. So what I used with this foundation, I did use my Shape Tape Concealer. I used Laura Mercier powder to set. Oh, and I used the Turn Up the Base powder from one size. I used the medium N1 just to bronze. I applied the concealer just under the eyes. I use the Farsali highlighter in the shade Rose Golds. I really like this highlighter. It stays on all day. So I didn't apply the Laura Mercier on the cheeks. I used this powder instead. For the rest of the face was the Laura Mercier, just very, very lightly though with a brush. So yeah, it looks really good. It looks very healthy looking, very natural on the skin. So it's 11:30 in the morning, so I will come probably by 8 o'clock or so, just before the sunset, so I can film because I use the natural light and I use some small ring lights as well. So I am back, guys, and it is 7:18. I've been wearing it almost for 8 hours now, and I think it looks really, really good. I haven't touched up whatsoever. I don't know, my under eyes look cakey for some reason, but I did not put any foundation there. I did wear a mask today. I was shopping and I think I wear it for like half an hour or so. I look glowy, and that's just because of the highlight that I applied earlier today. But other than that, it looks really good. It did not crease on me. I look healthy and glowy even on my forehead, but I don't feel like it's breaking apart or it's looking patchy or, you know, heavy cakey. It's just luminous everywhere. I think this will suit all people who have dry skin, normal skin. I don't recommend it for oily skin or combination because it is really, really glowy. It did not even settle into the lines whatsoever right here. But I do like the way it looks on my skin at the moment. It just feels like I have a BB or a tinted moisturizer on. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.